silver, gold, magnesium, and all of them are planning to go for their friend's wedding.
Hello, Silva, are you coming for the wedding?
Yes, of course. We all are meeting at the Andheri station. Come at 9 a.m.
Okay.
The wedding was between sodium and chlorine. All the metal friends were now in the train having fun.
Potassium, why are you inside the kerosene bottle?
It's because I can't be free in the oxygen. Otherwise, I will react with it and will burn.
Oh, okay.
As the train was moving fast, all the metals started to bang each other and started making loud noises. Hearing this, all the other passengers got irritated and complained to TC.
Hey, what is going on?
Sorry, sir, we can't do anything. We are metals and this is our property of Sonorous. We make jingling sounds when we collide, but we will take care of distancing.
Okay.
All the metals and non-metals get down from the train at 1 p.m. It's a hot and sunny day. The coolie went towards them to pick the luggage.
Why are you shining?
Bhaiya, it's because of a property called luster.
Okay, come fast.
They didn't get a taxi at the station, so they had to walk till the taxi stand.
Oh my god, it's hot. I think I'm going to melt here. If I die here only, give my wishes to Sodium.
Oh, just shut up, you fool. Don't worry. Don't you remember we have high melting point? This heat can never harm us.
Oh, thanks bro, I forgot. There's the taxi stand. Come on, run everyone.
All were trying to adjust in the taxi.
Sorry, one of you have to get down.
All started to think and try to get an idea. That time, the calcium says,
Eureka! Let us make gold into thin sheet and roll him up. It's okay na gold?
Yes, my friend. No problem.
Thin sheet? How?
This is his property. He is the most malleable metal. That is, he can be converted into thin sheets. You don't worry. We are getting late. Let's go.
they reached the non-metals bungalow. Next morning, they are planning for a river bath.
Hey, Sodium, let's chill out in the riverside.
No, I can't. Because if I dip in the water, I will react with water and burn vigorously.
Yes, bro. Same with me. But we can come for your company. We will sit aside.
Alright.
All the friends then dive into the water.
Save him, save him. See what's happening. Why is he floating?
Uncle G, don't worry. I'm just calcium, and when I react with cold water, I become calcium hydroxide. And hydrogen gas is evolved. This hydrogen gas sticks on me and lifts me up. That's why I'm floating.
Good, you are safe. I was scared. But why your friends are not floating?
Uncle, we react only with steam and make oxides.
Now the sun was exactly overhead, and the water had started to heat up.
Calcium, you are here. Then who is floating there? Now the water is not so cold. Sure, he's dead.
Hey, I'm alive. Like calcium, I float too in water, but only when the water is hot. Don't worry, uncle, it's our property.
Hey Bhagwan, you puzzled me. How confusing you all are. I really wonder how students bear you all.
Sodium had booked a school hall for his reception. All the metals and the non-metals are present in the hall.
Seems interesting. It will be fun if I do prank with our Sodium Mama's friends.
He starts putting the liquid on the metals.
Purana mano holi hai.
Iron, magnesium, zinc, and calcium started to react with that liquid and evolved hydrogen. That is, they started to give out smoke.
Oh, uncle, what's happening? Why your skin color is changing?
Kid, don't worry. But first, tell me, from where did you get this acid?
Acid? Oh, no, I just bought water from the beaker which was kept in the laboratory.
No, child, it's not just water. It must be sulfuric acid with which they have reacted and evolved hydrogen gas. That's why smoke is coming and these metals have changed their color due to sulfate.
I am so sorry, Gold Auntie. Please forgive me. But can I ask a question? Why others have not changed their color?
It's because we are less reactive.
I told you 100 times not to do any mischief. See, because of you, they are in pain.
Sorry, uncle.
I am really sorry for what has happened.
It's alright. We will wipe ourselves and come.
Now the reception is over happily. In the evening, all were ready for the wedding occasion in their beautiful traditional clothes. The bride, Chlorine, and the bridegroom, Sodium, are sitting in the mandap. Pandit is chanting the mantras. The wind flows and the Agni blew towards the metals.
Move back! Move back! Fire! Fire!
All were shocked.
What happened?
If fire catches, we'll react and form oxides. That's why.
Oh my god, how much property y'all have. Now stop. Let's focus in the wedding.
Yes, you are right.
Chlorine, I promise to give all happiness to you throughout my life.
God bless both of you. Be happy couple forever.
Sodium is giving one electron to chlorine, and now they are together forming an ionic compound.
विवाह संपन्न हुई